Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Tangle Teezer, the original mini Detangling Hairbrush, Rainbow the Unicorn. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a mini version of the original Detangling Hairbrush by Tangle Teezer. And here is some information about the inventor and founder of the Tangle Teezer Detangling Hairbrush. And taking a look around the back of the box is some product information about the Tangle Teezer Detangling Hairbrush. And some details of the original mini detangling hairbrush. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping up and out the box flap and tipping the Tangle Teezer, the original mini detangling hairbrush, Rainbow the Unicorn. And we're going to set the box to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the frame. So you can see the hairbrush is in a mini size as compared to the original version, and it does have a cartoon print on it, so it is available in a few designs in the mini version with cartoon designs on them. This is Rainbow the Unicorn. As you can see, the head of the unicorn with a mane of rainbow. So overall it does have a pink color. And just taking a look around the sides and various aspects to this Tangle Teezer, the original mini detangling hairbrush. So giving you some sense of the size of this mini detangling hairbrush as well. Resting in the palm of my hand, you can see the size of the hairbrush for some scale and perspective. So you can see it does have a glossy finish to the hairbrush with this cartoon print of Rainbow the Unicorn. So very detailed, giving you a much closer look. And it does have the Tangle Teezer branding on it as well. Now just giving you a look of the side profile of the hairbrush. So this is the mini version. So a slightly smaller version than the original. And taking a look at the teeth. So you can see very standard of the Tangle Teezer detangling hairbrush with dual height or length teeth, as you can see on the hairbrush. And you can see the concave of the hairbrush with the middle section dipped. So giving you a look all around at this hairbrush. So nice and pretty with this Rainbow the Unicorn design. And just giving you various aspects to this Tangle Teezer, the original mini detangling hairbrush. So right there you can see, giving you some good looks up close as well. Giving you a look at those dual layer length of teeth. So right across, as you can see, starting from the outside with the short and then followed by the double length or full length teeth, and alternating right across So grip wise, it does have a nice grip, and of course it is made from plastic, so very light in weight, and also very solidly built or constructed. You can hear me tapping away. So all around it is fully made out of plastic, and with the teeth, I'll just show you the firmness or softness of the teeth as I run my index finger across diagonally. So now applying a bit more pressure, just pressing really hard right down, and now super hard. So you can see the teeth do flex, and even with a good amount of pressure, they rebound straight up, so they are quite durable. Right there, giving you a look as I run this time around with my thumb across the teeth of this Tangle Teezer, the original mini Rainbow the Unicorn hairbrush. So nice, clean, simple design with that pretty Rainbow the Unicorn print on it with a glossy finish, as you can see right there, and very light in weight and made from the usual tough, lightweight plastic. Giving you once again that look across the hairbrush, so you can see that it does have a concave design or curve that dips towards the middle of the hairbrush. So a nice good look overall, and just turning the hairbrush and rotating it right around to give you a complete view of this hairbrush. Okay, so now the only thing left to do is to test it out. So I'm just going to run it across my slightly messy hair. Give it a few strokes of the brush. And once again, that very smooth glide with no snagging, which is typical of the very brilliant design of Tangle Teezer hairbrushes. And right there, surprisingly, no knotted or broken hairs caught on this Tangle Teezer, the original mini Rainbow the Unicorn hairbrush. So giving you a look at the grip as well. Nice and ergonomic, you can see, with the curve and comfortable grip of this mini hairbrush by Tangle Teezer. So that's the Tangle Teezer, the original mini Rainbow the Unicorn hairbrush. Thanks for watching and happy brushing!